News in Nairobi.
Tonight, Kenya is waiting with bated breath for the outcome of its bid for a non-permanent seat at the United Nations Security Council. UN member states voted in New York less than 3 hours ago for 5 non-permanent seats to the UN Security Council. Kenya is battling it out with Djibouti to represent Africa on the most powerful body of the UN. Our senior reporter Rita Tinina reports on the intrigues surrounding the elections.
A vote for Kenya is a vote for global solidarity. A vote for Kenya is a vote for multilateralism. A vote for Kenya is that even the smallest voice shall be heard.
A final pitch by President Uhuru Kenyatta for Kenya's bid for a non-permanent seat at the United Nations Security Council. The virtual meeting on Tuesday night before countries which are permanent representatives to the UN Security Council came just hours ahead of the all-crucial vote. At the UN headquarters in New York, COVID-19 changed the voting pattern. Ordinarily, a plenary session attracting hundreds of people takes place ahead of the vote. This time, a new procedure was adopted: no plenary and spaced out time slots to ensure social distancing. Kenya has had its eye on the seat for months, a quest that saw President Uhuru Kenyatta engage in shuttle diplomacy, a mission that took him even to Jamaica in August last year. The non-permanent seat is one of the 5 seats on the powerful 15-member UN Security Council. The seats rotate among regional blocs. Africa, the Asia-Pacific, Latin and the Caribbean each have 1 seat, while 2 seats are reserved for Western Europe and others group. Kenya has the endorsement of the African Union to represent Africa on the UN Security Council, but is battling it out with Djibouti, which declined to accept the AU's decision. Kenya has based its bid for the seat on a 10-point agenda, including peacekeeping, counterterrorism, climate change, and regional peace. As Kenya and Djibouti fight for the African seat currently held by South Africa, Canada, Ireland, and Norway are contesting the 2 Western European seats. India is unopposed for the Asia-Pacific group seat. For the Latin America and Caribbean group seat, Mexico is unopposed. To secure a seat, a country must garner 2/3 of the UN membership present, at least 129 votes if all 193 members vote. Kenya has served at the Council twice, in 1973 to 1974 and 1997 to 1998, while Djibouti has only served once, in 1993 to 1994. The 5 member states elected will serve on the Security Council in 2021 and 2022. Rita Tinina, KTN News.
And indeed, Kenya gets to know the results